Here we have number 4. We're going to prove the converse of the alternate exterior angle theorem given that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. All right, so let's start with what our given is. From here, we can still get angle 2 and angle 3 somehow, and that's going to be with vertical angles. Notice, vertical angles does not depend on any parallel lines. Okay, now I see that there's angle 2 in the first line and angle 2 in the second line. So I can use a substitution, or I can use transitive, up to you. Okay, now I get angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Well, they are corresponding, okay? But I'm trying to prove the parallel line. So I would have to use the converse. The converse of the corresponding angle states if the angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding and congruent, then the lines are parallel. That's why you use the converse of the corresponding angle postulate here.